Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1980 Chevrolet Camaro. Very, very nice car, guys. This car is only got 42,000 original miles. It's spent its entire life in California. It's got most of the original paint on it. It is a turnkey, drive across America kind of car. Rock solid body, so it's got the original pans in it. Like I say, it's got the majority of the original paint. Real good car, runs and drives excellent, air blows ice cold. It's so original, I'll be honest with you, I thought about doing some things to it, and I could definitely be convinced of that, so, but I'm going to go ahead and advertise it, leave it alone, and then if it doesn't sell, then I'm going to make it my own, I guess you'd say. Factory color combination, original Code 11 bright white, factory Carmine red interior, which is super cool. Now this stripe is not original, but they say it's been on the car since the car was a couple of months old. They've matched it to the interior. I think it fits, you know, suits the car very, very well. Not a whole lot to nitpick. Obviously, there's some stuff in the paint because, like I say, the majority of the paint's original, but it is very, very nice. Air blows cold. Original California blue plates go with the car. Again, you can see little things like that as you kind of walk around the car. But pretty doggone nice. I'm sorry, did I say blue plate? Blue plate car. I'm so used to black plate on the old cars. These cars are blue plates. Looks like we got a little star on the glass. I don't remember that. Dual sport mirrors. Again, I think the stripe is super cool. Another little mark in your paint. Body panels are clean and straight. They align well. Fit and finish is nice on the car. Original owner's manuals are in the glove box. Little ding there. Pretty car. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around. It's got the GM 15-inch rally wheels. That's without one thing I would do to this car, guys. To be honest with you, I almost did it. I almost ordered a set of 15.7 Krager SS's, the chrome Kragers. I thought a little chrome on this would make this car pop. The other thing, it's got the factory cross flow exhaust on it. I thought about putting, you know, taking and putting a set of true duals on it to just liven it up a little bit. A couple little marks. I'm not trying to pick it apart, guys, but as you know, you guys have watched a ton of my videos. Most people have. 90% of these cars are sold sight unseen. I try to show you anything that I can see. Power front disc brakes. You can go ahead and open the doors and the deck lid, Dale. Again, original 305 cubic inch engine, stock 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes and air blows ice cold. Factory automatic trans. Clean car. The bottom of this car is just as clean as the top. And these cars are really just starting to take off, man. The muscle cars have gotten so crazy price-wise. A lot of people now are starting to look for some different stuff, and this is the stuff that I think people are headed to. It's affordable, you don't have to break the bank, and they're cool. dual sport mirrors. I think this one's remote. Door handles are nice. Original door tags are still in here. How nice those door seams are. Again, those are original. This interior is original. Again, factory color. I ordered the new mats for it. Original sill plates. This thing is just clean, guys. Bucket seats, console. Headliner's nice. 42,627. That's the original miles, guys. Factory dash, factory radio. Again, the owner's manuals are in the glove box. Again, stock exhaust, factory rear end. Again, this is all original. And again, I would not change it. Again, even though I'm nitpicking the paint, I wouldn't paint this car. It's not bad. It's really nice, to be honest with you. Factory carpeted interior. Again, there's you can see up until 2021, this car was actually in California. Factory space saver spare. Everything opens and closes real nice. That's just a good car. Again, clean underneath. Yes, I could totally be talked into putting a set of Flowmaster duals just to louden it up a little bit. Give it a little more flow. Doors are nice and clean. You know, these doors are kind of big and heavy. They don't drop. They shut real nice. Look how nice those seats are. Beautiful, man. Little split in your dash. Steering wheel's nice. Gauges are nice and clean. You go ahead and fire it up, Dale. See the air works, it blows nice and cold. You can go ahead and shut it off, shut that off. Give it a little rev, Dale. Nice and tight. Like I say, turn the key and point the direction. Good car. Dash lights and everything all work. You can shut that door, Dale. Brake lights. Backup. Backup lights work. It's good. Go ahead and put it in park. Give it a little rev, Dale. Hold on, Dale. This loud truck, get out of here. Go ahead and give it a little rev. Radio works. Click that radio on. Radio does work. Blower motor works. Again, doors open and close nice. Wipers. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. That is a good looking car.